we've done these in right order. Ferrari first, Lambo, then GTR last.
Well, yeah, just do it on power, isn't it?
Yeah.
Demo as well, just to try and I don't waste it.
Well, I say, otherwise you waste your first car. You won't believe how many people just for sake of next to 10 and they won't do it.
I do all that.
You pull your door on, you have to pull it twice. That bit. Pull it twice, that's it.
I used to actually, since COVID, I used to do a lot of track days on motorbike. Went over to Le Mans.
Really?
And I watched, I've got the game on the PS4,
yeah.
And I watched a lot of YouTube videos.
Yeah.
When I got to Le Mans, it felt like I'd already been there.
Yeah.
And then, like, the first day I did a couple of side maps and I was like, king on top.
Right, second. Your left hand further up and then it's not going to tangle with knees. Right, a bit more speed. Follow your blues round to the left. See as it opens out, stand on accelerate, feed that power in, there we go. Still accelerate. Change up. We're going to keep to the left, let this other Lambo come by for now. Slow us down a bit. Oh, we're alright. Off the brake, then off the brake, off the brake. Yellow cone on the right. That's it. Right, yellow cone on the left. Left across for yellow on the right, just ease off your gas to a change surface. That's it. Straighten it up, and away we go. Accelerate. Further left, you come more in up, just a K now. Change up. Off the power then, starting to brake. Down one gear. Off the brake, to the right to orange, left to yellow, and accelerate. Change up. Off the power, starting to brake. Down one. Touch more brake. Down one more gear. Off the brake, turn in. And round to the left. Sharp right, lift off for this next one. Just a bit slower. Okay. Start to feed the power in, further yellow cone. Yellow on the right, change up. Follow the edge of the grass. Keep the power building. Off the power, start the brake. Off the brake, back on the power. Change up. Change up. Off the power, starting to brake. Down one. Touch more brake. Down one more. Ease off that brake. Yellow on the right. Back to yellow on the left. Back across yellow on the right. Once we change surface, straighten up, feed that power in. Change up. Off the power, starting to brake. Down one gear. Off the brake. Back on the power. Change up. Off the power, starting to brake. Down one. Touch more brake. Down one more. Off the brake, turn in. Round to the left. Sharp right, lift off completely. Yes, we'll head back in this time. Tap it up again. Keep left hand side, come off your power. Keep left hand side, we follow the Aspen. What do you reckon?
Ferrari bit better. Coming out of the service change.
Yeah.
She was like she was tramping out a little bit.
Okay.
Because I was going a bit harder than what I was in Ferrari.
Rear wheel drive. This is four wheel drive.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
It just felt different. It just felt like it was like pushing me towards cones. It felt like it was like just give it a bit more steering in.
Four wheel drive, we've got more grip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Felt different. Yeah, different experience.
Right. Swing us in on the right then. Yep. That's it. So then foot on your brake, pull both paddles at the same time to pop us back into neutral.